Get out of there. Right. Let me go here. Let me go here. Okay, and then let's go here. Beautiful. Okay, well done. Welcome everyone. Morning, good morning. Damn, Daniel. GJ has already moved quite a bit. Morning.
Morning. Yeah, that move on GJ was the moves.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of where I'd want to get in, but it would be below there, right? So
Yeah.
maybe that closure. That one didn't have a top wick. Let's take a look at where the stops were. Yeah, that was alright. 10 pip stop straight away. Didn't have a top wick though, and started the hourly as well. So that'd have been quite hard to catch. And it was obviously just way too early as well. Buys look with.
Yeah, and I stayed away from it because it's 7 o'clock your time.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Bad pound news. Yeah, interesting. What do you think about AJ buys? Oh nah, not yet anyway. But I know what you mean with the flower having no top wick. We'll make one. But yeah, we'll have to see. Okay, let me just get all this off and get ready to start the session. So yeah, yesterday I think a lot of people through NY session got clapped pretty hard. So I'm glad I didn't take any trades. For me, there was nothing that I could really see apart from gold maybe. We did a paper trade yesterday, guys, on the NY session, which some people would have taken. And it was, where was it? Yeah, here. So this was the main level of support. 1 second. We closed below. I was like, right, if we break that low here, we're gonna fly down. Closes then back at that level. Then the next one makes a lower wick. So I said, you know, for a paper trade, you could be a bit risky and take a buy here. And I said that on the stream. Stop loss below. So the stop's quite beefy. I think it was on the flip actually. So yeah, 23 pips. But your potential gain if you held that zone, if you look left, would be like to these wicks to there. So like there would be the first target. Was about 95 pips, so that was pretty good. So that was nice. That was the only thing I could see really on gold, because we rejected them lows. And if you take a look at what 1940 is, look where it's at. It's right at this support here, so it's kind of nice. But yeah, it's quite interesting. But apart from that, there was nothing much. So that was grand. But yeah, we'll get sorted in a second, guys. I'm just chilling out. I'm gonna go and buy a intro thing for my stream, so we can have it like on it earlier. Just have a little intro. I think it'll be nice.
Could buy a new mouse and headset.
Yeah, that's also on the list. Yep, they're coming. Yeah, I need to write that on my list actually. So you got to think of, oh, what do I want to get in here with the low wick, maybe to fill it back up, but that could just be with the news. So also, hourly has no top wick, so I am just gonna wait for this hourly to close and see what the crack is. But yeah, I mean, what I prefer probably is a closure below there. I think that'll be more realistic for me. Yeah, because then you've got cleaner candles really. I mean, to that wick, that's like 22 pips, and then to this next little minor support there. So that's probably where I'm gonna look for. So yeah, let me just write this on. So look for buys a little bit later on. Oh shit. So yeah, sells below 166382. Very nice. Good morning, Adnan. Yes, I still need get your Instagram message. I'll do it today at some point. I just fell asleep last night. I was knackered. So yeah, this level here, from here to here, is gonna be nice. Yeah, 42 pips. So yeah, we'll wait until that. But as I say, I'm probably just gonna wait for this hourly to close. Hourly didn't have a top wick. It's got 37 minutes left, so I don't really want to be rushing into this sells when it's probably gonna make a top wick first. You get me? Okay, so sells below, buys. I ain't looking at buys at all anymore. Where could I really want to look for buys again? Well, it'd be back above the support, and it'll be probably above the daily flip, so probably up there, which is nearly 80 pips away. So it looks like buys are not going to be today on GJ. So yeah, let me just put this all there. So yeah, they'll be probably above that area, so that's fine. So that is all good. So yeah, we'll see later on. Hopefully this next hourly 8 o'clock can make a nice top wick, and then maybe a drive further down. That would be kind of nice. Looking like AJ is the same kind of thing. So bearish, a bit more structure though on AJ, because the last daily actually did close bearish. So close bearish, forming some resistance. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, so forming some resistance, coming back down. It's actually already done this clean candle here, which kind of sucks. I would love to have taken that, but unfortunately that happened through Asian, so can't really do much about that. 4 hour time frame is here. It also came all the way down. Let's take a look then at the levels here. Well, there's still quite a lot of clean candles, to be honest, but we are at that level where it could cause some hard work here at 93.823, sorry, 829, because on the left hand side there's resistance. Okay, so let me just draw this in. You can see pretty clearly where it is. It's right at these highs. They've rejected it like 3 times, so this is the key level. So knowing this is where price could struggle. Okay, so let's take a look to the left where we are right now, and there you go, we're struggling right on it right now actually. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. So 30 minute coming down, it's actually flipping, and nice. So 30 minutes potentially closing below. Interesting. To maybe continue further down. The candles in that area are so clean, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, I'm probably still going to wait for this hourly to close as well. I think that's going to be pretty good. And yeah, nice to 93.0837. I'd say the main one would probably be up here though, there. So still quite a nice zone to continue into for sure, I think. But yeah, I'm probably, as I say, I'm just going to wait for this hourly to close. Because this hourly, can you see that this candle here didn't really close below the hourly resistance. So I'd rather just wait for the closure below in 34 minutes. And then take the further drive down. So liberation moment. On my real account, I've been doing between 7 to 15% in the last 12 months. I'm doing my FOREX funds and I'm 4% down in the after 5 days. Oof. No good. That is not good. But remember, you're saying months here, and then you're trying to justify 5 days. 5 days is not a very long time, so 4% in 5 days really isn't that bad. GJ going down, yeah, man. Well, that's fine. But as I say, I'm just gonna wait for this news to kind of settle in. Why the fuck is it just stopped me there? Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this news to settle, because what actually came out? Oh, retail sales. Oof. Minus 1.4. Ooh. That's really bad. Told you, retail sales will be continuing down. Who the fuck shops? I don't shop unless it's online. That TV looking good, bro. The TV is fire. TV is fire, and it wasn't even that expensive, man. I highly recommend it if you want a new TV. Spread back to normal, good. But yeah, as I say, I'm just going to wait for these hourlies to close. I think it'll be a bit easier for me. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Gold retraced all the way back up from 1940 levels that they were yesterday. Very nice. Take a Okay, so the daily time frame now is bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. Very, very good. Coming towards a little bit of 4 hour resistance at 1957. Let's take a look. So, where could you have potentially got entries before? I mean, maybe on that closure there was pretty good. 953. That was quite a nice closure. TV in UK only show documentary and news. What? Wait, what? I don't use TV for normal television. I use it for Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube. That's what I watch. I don't watch fucking TV. TV's so boring. It actually hurts. So let's take a look then over here. So we should potentially continue towards 1958. However, you can see right now it is struggling a little bit maybe because we've got resistance there. So it's not really the nicest area to take. So I'm probably going to wait above 958, I think. Because we've already pushed into this area. If I could have got an entry before, if it was right at this time, like there. So like maybe breaking above there. That would be nice, but it was also 7 AM. Also, we're just moving with the news, so we'll see. I'm probably going to look for buys above 1958. And there we go. Control FX lost a trade yesterday. Yeah, his first trade he's lost in a while though, so it's fair dues.
Hey Maxi, how's it going?
Hello, man. How am I good? How are you?
I like this GG in 30 minutes, still 100 pips, possibly. Yeah, my zone is above on 30 minutes.
There?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Looks nice for 100 pips.
It does, but then wicks don't look nice right now. And the Owly has no top wick. But yeah, I mean, I know what you mean. I think I'll probably join you at maybe 8 o'clock.
Yeah. That's a really clean traffic.
Yeah.
GG. We didn't get the clean like a couple of weeks.
Yeah. All down here.
Yeah, so clean.
Yeah. I agree. Your risk management is a lot different from controller's risk management. Well, yeah, because I trade in, I manage it on a lower time frame. He doesn't look at the 15, whereas I do, and I look at the 5 as well sometimes. And I don't really take like hourly time frame trades, but that's just me. Holy profits hit stop loss hit minus 10 pips, then re-entry hit stop loss. Oof, really? Oh, trading news? That's not really good for people to look, is it? That's not looking good. Does he tell what he's taking?
Oh, and also CJ is nice.
Oh.
He had the JPY. So clean. So clean.
When?
Right now.
What, he's in a trade right now?
I'm considering looking for entry.
Yeah, why the fuck? Yeah, but look at this, right? So he's meaning demand zone, but bro, why don't you just wait for a 50-minute bullish candle like that, and then you can get the trade? So was that his first entry or his second? Whoa! Wait, did you take one before? Let's take a look. Anyway, interesting. So for me, GJ didn't close below yet, and also the Ali still doesn't have a top wick, so I'm chilling right now. Let's wait for 1 hour on GJ because previous hourly closed with no top wick. Yeah, exactly. AUD JPY 30 minutes still closed bullish back above, so as I say, I'm still waiting for that as well. But Looks like maybe 8 o'clock we're going to have pretty good trades here. Hopefully the hourly makes the top wick and we get a resistance forming to sell to retest the lows and break to the downside. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I mean, when this hourly closes, I don't give a shit about the top wick anymore. It's just when it's open, right? So when this closes, I couldn't care less about the having no top wick. It's just right now, you know, it's that's 18 pips away. It's quite far, but I still think it has a little bit of time maybe to get it. But we'll see, you know, we'll see. I got my 35 pips. Tom, you're up so early, bro. You can tell you're in like the fucking army or what was in the army. Holy mother of Jesus. Fucking up,
Morning. It's definitely the army,
fucking
man.
up early,
It's
man.
been made
Holy
already.
shit. Holy fuck. I checked on the stream and he was like taking trade like 5:40. I'm like, oh my god, that's so fucking early.
But I'm actually up at that time in the morning, because I need to get ready for my shit as well. So
That's fair.
it's just I can't get to trade that time. So when I'm off, I'm snoring that time.
Yeah. Oh yes. You up at 4 a.m. Fucking hell. Yeah, that was nice, man. Oh my god, Tommy boy. Executing the 50-minute chart, closed 80% at 14 pips. Runner went to 20. Beautiful, man. Very nice resistance forming. Beautiful candle. How much was the stop? Oh, stop was 10 pips as well. Yeah, that's tasty. Same thing here. What happened here? How did you get into this? Was this the 30-minute? Was this like, oh, look better on the 30? Oh, actually,
That
on the
was
5
too
minutes.
better on
Sorry,
the
sorry.
5. I was looking at that too, but then the news came and poof.
Yeah.
So,
Execute on 5-minute chart, 80% close, 11 pips on runner. Wow, beautiful. Tommy boy. Smashing it, man. Very, very nice. So yeah, looking like gold's chilling a bit right now. You can see here, this is actually quite good. We didn't close above, so there's actually still an opportunity to continue bullish at 8 o'clock maybe. So that could be quite reasonable. But yeah, I can see here this 30-minute didn't close above, so still got to wait. 50-minute didn't really, so yeah, we'll see. Maybe the next hourly can continue up. It'll be interesting to see how this hourly closes in 25 minutes.
Maxi,
Yeah.
I saw you took a buy yesterday on gold. Wow.
Yeah, bro. Raya support. I was looking at the higher time frames, bro. But yeah, it was risky. It was risky. And then I took a sell
I
straight
actually
away after.
didn't get to analyze it or go over it. So I
Yeah.
thought, "Ah, man."
No, it was
I
right
have
at, where was it? Yeah, it was right here. It was right on the daily supports, and we're holding the level pretty nicely. Where the fuck was it? Yeah, here. Oh no, sorry, not there. Where the fuck was it? What day is it today? 22nd. Oh,
It was London, eh?
yeah, yeah,
Or
yeah.
was it?
Yeah, here. We kept on tapping this support right here, and I took a buy like there when this one started reflipping. And then yeah, continued down. But then what I said to people was, I said if my stop hits, I'm taking a sell, or I'm gonna look for a sell. Because why? Well, this wick here is the wick that my stop was on.
It's pretty trick.
If
Yeah.
it passes there, look where it's gonna continue to. So when this closed bearish below, started pushing off. I saw these 1 minutes retracing a little bit, and then I took a sell. There, stop loss was back in the previous zone, so it was impulsive. But because we fucked about here for so long, I knew that this was gonna be the drive. So yeah, like, this is what happened yesterday. So I took like this,
Nice work, man.
and then this next
Nice.
one, I closed at 25 pips. It's like there. This shit ran to 100 as well if I fucking held it on. But anyway, yeah, nice. And then yeah, on an NY session, we also looked at here. So the obviously the higher time frames are all very, very bearish. However, we closed below on this one. If this one made a top wick and then exceeded the low there, bro, I was gonna be in that bitch, but it didn't. And then the 15 closed bullish, and then the next one closed bullish. Sorry, the next one made a low wick again, and then rejected. I was like, right, boys, I'm gonna paper trade this one. So if anyone wants to take it, you can, but I'm just gonna paper trade it because we rejected it twice. It may continue back into the zone now. So I said, get in on the flip and exceeding the previous high. Stop loss below. Actually, it was on the flip. Sorry, there, yeah, because it didn't have a top wick. So the stop loss was 23 pips, and then obviously that ran fucking 92.
Jeez. Oh man.
There was some nice gold trades yesterday, but
Nice
so-
gold trade
a
there,
lot
man.
of streamers got clapped on gold yesterday. Holy shit. Yeah, it was hard, man. But yeah.
That was nice. It was, like that's reactive. That is fast thinking, man. That is
Well,
like,
yeah.
especially that gold one. Because I saw it when like I was going through the chats, etc. And I was like, yo, this was so quick after one another. Like
Yeah. Well, because whilst I was in the trade, I was like, if this goes wrong, we've got such clean candles to the next zone. I'm gonna fucking take that.
100%.
Like, look at that. Look how clean that was there.
Not how it went at all. He cracked the shits and just went revenge trade and took a sell.
Yeah, that was
No cap.
No cap. Fucking made that bitch back.
probably did it without a stop loss too.
Yeah, no stop, full risk.
My God.
Wow, GJ pushing. Did you get in here, Milan?
No confirmation there, man.
Yeah.
No, he was looking at CJ, wasn't he? Or was he looking at JJ as well?
I think he's looking at both.
Hey, Milan is looking at so much things now, eh?
Yeah, Milan's got fucking 10 different web browsers on. Yeah, still.
Let me just check my chart. I had a nice closure below. Let me just check if my zone is different to yours, Max.
Yeah. Where is it?
So
In the
I had
chat.
a closure around. It's on my laptop. So 166.495. We had like a small closure. Do you see that closure?
Yeah, well, I
The
see.
30-minute chart. So if you go on the 30-minute chart, yeah, like the
Yeah, but my issue was is the next support is right there. It was only like 9 pips away. So I was like, I'd rather just wait below there.
oh, but yours is 166,
380.
382. Mine is 495.
Yeah.
So
I
because
see yours
495
is
not
there.
close to- Yeah. But if mine is on the 30-minute, so go to the 30-minute and you see how clean that looks. Yeah.
Yeah, but my issue is that 15 was right there. So I was like, nah. And also the hourly has no top wick. So AJ lagging, yeah. AJ does tend to lag a little bit, which is good because it means if you've lost GJ, you may have an opportunity to grab AJ, which is quite good. We've been seeing that a lot recently. Like sometimes if GJ like pushes without, I was like, oh fuck. And when I go AJ, I was like, oh yes, hasn't done it yet. But the difference is that today it could be a bit different because AJ obviously didn't have the news, whereas we did. So that retail sales is bad, man. It's gonna be interesting to see how governments deal with this because it's probably quite a worldwide thing. Like retail, like who the fuck goes retail shopping? Like my mum does every so often. Girls don't really like. Most girls just shop online. Boys just shop online. Like I just don't know who goes in now. Grannies do, but when everyone who dies who can't use a mobile phone sufficiently, no one's gonna be going shopping in retail. There's not one reason why I'd go. I have to fucking drive in. I have to fuck about with a load of people. I hate walking behind people because they're so slow, and I just hate people in general. You go, oh, but you can try on your clothes and stuff. The only thing you'd go into town for is my fucking haircut, or maybe trying on some shoes. But then again, I could just order a new pair and they come like next day. There's no reason of going into oh, there's no cam, is it not? Oh shit, sorry. No, there is, isn't there? Yeah, it's got that stream. It's on my stream, but the cam's on YouTube. Trust me, you'll see me in NY. But yeah, man, I have a feeling when all like the grannies die, goddamn, it's gonna be
There must be a granny.
Do you still go shopping?
But see, there's not a chance. Well, see, the thing is, for me, because during the day I'm free because I start now. Like this is 4:20 to 5 in the evening right now. So I kind of have the days free during the week. There's not a chance I would go on the weekend and do it, but during the week, like if I want to pop in and then go try something, like I just can't be bothered ordering something and then getting it and then it's not the right
Well,
size,
yeah,
it doesn't look
that's
good, and then having to do all that. So I just prefer to go in and like smash it out in half an hour and then get out.
that is true. But my only thing for that is, I also can't be asked to send it back. So I'll end up just, well, yeah, this is the disadvantage of it, right? I bought these pairs of shoes online, I'd say maybe like a year ago, and they came and I loved them. They looked nice, but I'm not gonna lie, they were a bit too small, and like I fucking regretted them now. But I just could not be asked to send them back. But actually, the clothes-wise, like sending clothes back is so easy now. They've made it so fucking easy. You literally whack it in a bag. They print off the thing at the actual post office, and you just whack it in, and you can do it all in like 15 seconds. It's great. So like my girlfriend will literally order about fucking 100 pairs of clothes, like just not pairs, 100 clothes, like just different items. She'll send like 95 of them back, and then just only wear 5. Oh my god, GJ, fuck me. Well, great. Well, it came down to that
All
little
these
bit of
no
score.
top wick, no bottom wick candles.
Yeah, beautiful. I go everywhere on weekdays. Yeah. Weekends are not even describable. The only thing I would go into like a centre or whatever would be going to the cinema. I still think cinema's there, man. I think watching things at home is just not the same. I still like the cinema. I still like getting my Tango Ice Blast and my Doritos and shit. Yeah. What are the chances it will correct? Well, at the moment, not much, because we are very, very bearish. Look at that. Still clean candles, so, you know, it's actually not that bad. We've still got a lot of movement to come, so I'd either want some support to form here first, to then retrace a little bit, and then to continue down, or just a nice top wick here and then a flip if you get a nice entry. But we'll see at 8 o'clock. I'm not rushing in right now. I'm just going to wait for 8 o'clock. 50 pips, 13 minutes. Wow. Fuck yeah. It's clearly not reacting well with that retail sales. Expected minus 0.3. So actually also expected pretty bad numbers. But yeah, I think COVID and all this stuff is actually going to change how we live very, very well, a huge amount. And it's gonna make people a lot more, you know, unemployed, to be honest with you, because everyone can work from home, right? Everyone can work from home pretty much now, as long as you're not like a fucking doctor or a lawyer. Maybe a lawyer, you have to go in, pretty much, or like a builder. Obviously, you have to fucking build and shit. Most people who can do like services or anything that's to do with the computer can just do it at home, right? So that means overall, over time, oh, look at that 15 close on gold. Over time, you know, corporations aren't going to want to pay for their massive buildings in London, you know? They're not going to pay. Why would the RBS, a bank, pay for all of their people to not be in there because all working from home, a massive fuck-off building in the middle of London? They won't do it. They'll just cash it out. They've already done a couple. And my dad said the building that he worked in for RBS is closed down now because they don't need it. So, but this has a big, you know, wave of bad events after, because now all the coffee shops and all of the, you know, sole trader businesses around have no customers. So what the fuck are they gonna do? It's like, oh, it's a big thing they're gonna have to sort out, and I have no idea. GJ closed, yeah, well, great, but it's ran down for me. It's hit right at that support. So oh, this looks tasty. Do I want to get in now or 8 o'clock? That is the issue. Yeah, probably gonna wait for this 30-minute. It's only 30 minutes left. But I do think if that makes the lower wick here and then flips, it could be kind of nice. How much would the stop be? Interesting. Don't know where girls still love to go for Primark. Yeah, that is true. I'd say Primark, but overall, you know, it's the same thing with cash. I don't carry cash. I haven't felt cash or money in, I'd say, over a year now. And I've been on fucking holiday. Like, I just don't need it. Just use my card the whole time. There's no need for it anymore.
Yeah, up here we're almost a cashless society.
Yeah.
Everybody pays with a card or the phone.
Yeah.
So I haven't touched cash in, I think, 3 years now.
Literally.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what it looks like.
Yeah, like I forgot the feeling of it. I forgot how annoying it is to keep it like safe, and I just don't need it. I just don't. There's any point.
But I stopped losing cash, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, I'm eyeing up these buys maybe. See, look at the 4 hour and the stuff. Yeah, 4 hours bullish, daily's bullish. The hourly is rejecting the resistance, but you know, it's okay. We'll see. I just use cash 99% of the time. What? Really? You've clearly got like a business or something, because the only people that use cash and want cash to still be there is people who have a fucking barber shop or a fish and chip shop and all their money's in cash because they don't want to pay any tax on it. If you ever ask someone who's got like their little shop about, oh, I don't carry cash anymore, they get so pissed. Because they know it's nearly the end of their tax avoiding times. It's like, no, fish and chip shop, you didn't sell 5 cods today, you sold 15 but only declared 5.
Yeah, we have one that doesn't accept card, and it's so fucking annoying because you have to go get cash.
Yeah,
'cause-
the Chinese,
yeah.
the Chinese shops here do that.
Hmm.
Yeah. And then they make some excuse. I used to work at the Chinese, and she was just like, "Oh, the cash machine's broken." It isn't broken. It fucking works perfectly fine. And drug dealers, yeah, yeah. I only use cash when I need to go drug dealing. Even some of them do it contactless now. What the fuck?
Yeah, they can do it with crypto.
Yeah. Ah, it's a nice pullback. I'm not gonna lie. I sent a chart on Discord. Can you take a look at it? Sure. Sure. Okay, let's take a look over here. Okay, this looks like it's gold. Entry on the 1 hour close. Nice. Is secured 50% at 20 pips. Beautiful. So you got in right there. Nice. That was good. Stop loss below the previous. So the stop was about 30 pips, right? Nah, 23 I think. You closed at 20 pips. Beautiful, man. That was nice. When was this? Look at the hourlies. Was it on that one? Or the previous? Oh yeah, it was that one. Nice. Got a little nice push up. Beautiful. Nice lower wick it was actually, yeah. That's pretty good. That was tasty. I use cash as well, spend less with cash as well, but don't physically handing it over, lol. Yeah. I just don't touch it anymore. I just don't have the need for it. Like, where's the cash? Barber's still got to hedge those lollies. Barber's still got to say that they cut 20 people, but actually cut 200. You send it with your phone, right? No, we just have like Apple Pay, right? Yeah. Everyone's introduced that. Thing is though now is that older people are actually using this, and this is mainly because of train stations and stuff. Like if you go to London, the underground, you can just double tap your phone and you're done. I still see like 1 or 2 retards like trying to buy a ticket. It's like, bro, just use your fucking contactless.
Hey Max, why not
great
entering the DJ?
What?
Maxi, why
What?
not entering the DJ
When?
on the 15th?
Because I'm waiting for the hourly to close. I've told you that. I told you that 30 minutes ago. I'm waiting for the hourly. But yeah, I mean,
It's already 60 pips.
yeah, I know. That's the discipline, man. I don't really mind. I also this didn't close below, so I mean that's impulsive there. If you want to take
But
that.
this 15 is night. This 15.
This 50 minutes
It's
right
below.
at my little bit of support over here, and it's also 7 minutes left for the hourly, and I want the hourly to make a top wick. So, but take it if you want. But I'm just gonna wait. Break even on AJ, yeah, AJ, nice, yeah. How would you have gotten on AJ? 15 minute, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for this hourly to close. Wow, damn, looking like gold ain't gonna come up any higher over here. Waiting for that low wick just saves you so much money, man. Holy shit. Yeah, I barely take my wallet out because I just use my phone. Which actually sometimes sucks sometimes because you go into it and it's like, oh, sometimes when you cash, like, oh no, I don't use cash, fuck off.
Heaps of places in Oz aren't taking cash since COVID.
They aren't.
No, it seems like even though it's like come back from it, a lot of them still say, "Oh, we don't take cash."
Yeah.
Which is illegal. There's a
it's
bunch of
fucking
places getting
frustrating.
done here in Victoria for it because it's actually illegal for them to not accept cash.
They're not allowed to deny you money, and they're not allowed to
Yeah.
deny you entrance to the shop because you won't fucking put a mask on.
Oh,
all
wow.
that shit.
Yeah. What mask thing?
Also-
Have you still got like if I walked around in your local city or whatever, would there be like what percentage of people would be wearing masks?
I reckon 0.5%.
Oh really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was very different for you. You didn't get all the lockdowns we got down here. Like he lives.
Yeah, we only had 1 or 2 serious lockdowns.
Yeah.
You got
Oh
pumped
wow.
down
Okay.
Yeah,
So
we
what
had
about
the
you?
longest
My area
lockdown in the
sorta-
world.
So what about you?
I'm down in
Yeah, so-
Melbourne, so we had the longest lockdown in the world. Like we had, I don't even know how many days it was. Like it was something stupid.
That was fun.
There's that many
Retarded.
memes about the minister out here of Victoria. They smashed him.
You were getting bummed. You were on stream the whole time. Like, you still in lockdown? Holy fuck. I've been out for like fucking 4 months or some shit. 5 months. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, they're finally getting rid of all the restrictions tonight, pretty much. So you no longer, after tonight, you won't have to check in with vaccine passports and all that sort of stuff to go to cafes or pubs.
What? You
Um,
still have to do that? Oh my
Yep.
fucking god. That's actually
wasn't that
disgusting.
bad here, eh?
That's fucking criminal. I'm sorry.
My local
Yeah.
pub didn't even bother getting the phone one. It was just all handwritten the whole time.
Yeah.
The stupid thing is, all the workers still are required to wear masks. So the argument
that's
is,
fucked.
like in retail and hospitality, all the
Yeah.
workers have to wear masks.
I was like that, I think.
But then they can come in after their shift and basically go to the same place without a mask on.
Yeah.
And it's like, how does that make any sense?
I know. The only thing I can say from that is that they're setting an example, so maybe like people just do it because they see them do it. That's the only thing I can see. It's like it's a bit unfair on them. Like these guys are sweating their nuts off, like working in fucking hospitality, and no one else around them's wearing a mask. Oh, some of the rules I just can't. I can't get how anyone with a brain cell actually came up with them. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Any of the
This
rules.
whole-
I mean.
Yeah, this whole thing was very weird for us because here in Sweden we never had 1 day of lockdown.
Yeah,
to
you were
begin
fucking
with.
great. You were the
And
big,
they,
everyone slated
Yeah,
you for
they-
fucking ages, going, oh my god, they're all gonna fucking die.
yeah, and then the government said, yeah, give it a few more years and then we'll see what the impact was. And look at it.
Yes.
We don't have riots here because you're actually basically you're locking up people in their home. It's like putting them in a prison without they have done something.
Yeah, I know.
We didn't have any of that
What I didn't get is this, right? If basically the vulnerable and the elderly are at risk, right? They're the only ones that are going to die from realistically. Yes, oh my god, wow, one person on the news died when they were fucking 17. Maybe it's because they were as big as a fucking whale and had asthma. Okay, fair enough. But like overall, it'd be literally the older people and people who have, you know, like that kind of genre. So why lock everyone up and everyone in their fucking whole family? Why don't you just lock them up and then, you know, secure them? Why does it have to be fucking everyone? Why can't me when I'm 20? I don't see one grandma when I'm at uni. Why the fuck can't I just go out? When I go to a club, do you think I bump into fucking anyone over than 50? No. So it's like, it's fucking ridiculous. Oh my god, gold came all the way
That's
back
a bit
up.
the way they did it here.
Yeah, I
They
know.
protected them. They protected the vulnerable. So.
It's just
What
this.
works in Sweden is that people actually take responsibility, because here they ask, if you have like a bit of a cold, please put on a mask when you go out in public,
Yeah.
and everybody did it. It wasn't a law, or nobody had to threaten with fines or something. No, people do it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, people are more respectful towards others here, because, well, the freedom wasn't taken away, you know.
Yeah, well, exactly. The PM in Australia declared the pandemic over, so it's party time now. Oh my god, over? Wow, is it over just because after the war it just disappeared? Wow, amazing. Shock. Look at now.
Oh, the shit that's going down.
To be fair, I lost 3 parents at my school to COVID, so, I mean, fair enough. But how many of them were overweight? And then tell me that every single person who's ever been told about, you know, the obesity in their country don't take it seriously until now, when they've actually got some issues and now they're shitting themselves. Yes, fuckwit, we've been trying to tell you for 20 years, stop being so fucking fat. 80%
I remember on the news.
80% in ICU were fucking huge, overweight. It's like, what?
Yeah, they're like, oh, I remember we had on the news here, and they're like, oh, viewers might find this distressing, and they're like, oh, this is, and it was showing a guy that was in ICU or whatever on a ventilator, and the guy was so big and overweight and looked like he'd be someone that would struggle to breathe anyway, like, and they're saying, oh, how bad it is when you get COVID, and it's like, yeah, no, that's not fooling anyone.
Yeah, exactly, you know. It's mad. Vin, you're gonna get cancelled. Cancelled by the COVID warriors. The only people that are COVID warriors are fucking wet wipes, so I clearly could not be asked about that. So wow, AJ coming down, GJ coming down, looking nice. So this Owlie didn't have a top wick. Wow, that's mad. This zone still for GJ, damn, it's not bad, is it? It's not bad at all. I actually just moved my little resistance line on gold up a little bit further because of the fact that there was actually some to the left here. So yeah, I gotta wait a little longer. But I still think that this zone, if it pops into here, could be quite nice. See, look at how that looks on the hourly. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. So we got a closure. Nice big fat stinking closure. Breaking the lows already, so nice. We'll see. Let's take a look on the left hand side over here. On the 15. Yeah, interesting. 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 So look at this Owlie. Yeah, Owlie's gonna make a nice top wick. I mean, getting on the low is great, but I don't know. It's already pushed quite a lot, so we'll see. Let's look at AJ. Yeah, AJ kind of done this move. That was kind of nice. That was the Owlie, yeah. On the 15, how could you have entered there? I mean, maybe there. How much was stops on the previous? Let's take a look. Oof, 19 pips. Fucking hell, that's big for AJ. Holy shit. That's beefy. Gold Daily made no top wick. Wow. Damn. Your body's already stressed by 100 pounds extra. Your heart, lungs. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think people forget. People who are like big and like, overweight, their lungs and hearts are still the same as what they were when they were like 19. When they were like, no, isn't that mad? It's like, shit, they're fucking struggling. I think the biggest one is when I think the one that gives people quite a big shock is when people who have got like a problem, just a problem anywhere. It doesn't have to be like weight related, but maybe they're a bit overweight, and then they go to the doctors and they go, "Oh, can we sort this out?" And they go, "Yeah, but first you got to lose some fucking weight because we ain't operating on you." And apparently it's because of the anaesthetists don't know how much to give because like they're huge. Their body mass index is massive, but obviously they're not actually that big of a person. It's just how much weight they've got on top of it. Oh, look at GJ. Nice. How much is that top wick? Oof. 25 pips. Holy shit. How big is this zone for AJ? You might try and catch AJ instead. Top wick's 10 pips, 14 pips in the low. Let's take a look on the hourly close of no bottom wick. Okay. Still does look pretty reasonable to go. It's just, man, it has pushed a lot already. Let's take a look to the left where GJ can continue over here. First minor support there. Second one is going to be probably down here where these wicks are. 254. Yeah, me too, Craig. I woke up this morning and looked, I was like, oh, it's already fucking launched. For me, I hate catching the lows because, you know, it can pull up and, you know, 10, 20 pips easily after a big move like that, and you're like, oh man. The one time I take a sell, it's moved down like 100 pips and I couldn't fucking get any of it because it's just too early. AJ's flipping now. Interesting. Okay, so AJ is flipping. Oh, I did not mean to put that on. Shit. AJ's flipping, but however, it doesn't have a lower wick, so I don't really like that, to be honest with you. Yeah, it kind of sucks. GU going bonkers too. Wow. Yeah, I think GJ's really struggling with that news. I think, eh? So from when that news came out, it's 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's gone nearly. Well, no, it's gone 100 pips. It is not like that at all. Yeah, you find yourself trying to find a trade like Max just said. It reverses 20-30 pips pretty quick, and then you're fucked. Yeah. So what I would just probably do is wait, because right, we know overall this is why I don't get upset about this, right? I don't go, oh man, I missed this fucking move. This move was so big. Why didn't I catch it? Well, because all I'm gonna do now is wait for some resistance to form, because I know overall GJ is gonna be bearish as hell today. Is it gonna run down the whole way? In a straight line like this? Probably not, right? So what I'm also going to just wait for is a pullback and then a resistance to form. So something like this. And I'll tell you reasons why this is probably better. So let's just see this kind of closes there. Now we make some bullish. It might not. It might still continue further. But in the end, it will start to do this, okay? Okay, so then it comes up. Now, once we get some resistance forming, and then you also still got the trend on you, so something like this. Now, what's better about this? Well, now we know that past price, when we came back down here, we came to this next support, which is down here. Okay, one second. Down here. So when we're taking this resistance forming, we have an easy target to at least the lows of here. And then obviously your runner can do the damage furthermore, but you're not going to be risking a trade getting in on the lows there. So waiting for resistance to form is a really good way of waiting, showing your discipline, waiting for price to retrace, and then taking a beautiful sell and back down to the lows. Okay, so I always advise, if you're getting a bit too like, oh, should I take the sell, it's breaking the lows again, whatever, just wait, right? It's already moved quite a lot. I'd rather just wait for some resistance to form. This may happen in NY, this may happen now, you know, we don't know. But all I'm going to do is wait for it, because I know it's going to happen at some point today, okay? Gold sells 1951. Do you really want to be selling at 1951? Take a look, right? So 1951 is here, okay? Why wouldn't you want to be taking sells at 1951? Someone tell me. Will someone just draw or tell me? So 1951 is like right there. Yep. Pretty easy, right? pretty obvious, okay? You look to the left. Why wouldn't we want to take a sell right here? Okay, so someone just said in the chat, why I want to take sells at 1951. So you take a look, right? Wicks to the left. There's a big support which keeps on tapping here. The zone in itself is choppy. Look to the left here. Also the same thing. Support right here. Also the same thing. Support right here. Now, what would be preferred to take some sells? Where would you prefer to take sells? Beautiful, Atashi. Yes. You'd want to take sells below. 1 second. You'd want to take sells below here. Now, why would you want to take sells below here? Well, because look, every time we move into this area, can you see how quick candles move? Because they're clean wicks. When you get clean wicks, price moves quickly in those areas. So there's no point in taking trades here in this crappy rangy area when all you've got to do is wait for a closure below here, like this, and your trade is going to move a lot quicker in that area. Okay, so there's some help there. But yeah, I think what people will do here is maybe look a bit too close. They might look at this and they go, right, support is here. Maybe I can take sells below here to then continue. But it's like, no, look at the bigger picture. Focus on the bigger picture. Sells below here would be much nicer. Which is what we took yesterday, right? Same place there.
Maxi?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? I was actually looking at GJ and about 30 minutes ago. So I was basically watching the 30-minute chart. And that sells, you see, I basically took that sell.
Nice there.
But at the flip, I'll send my chart now. But because of that strong bearish candle, like
where did you put your stops?
I'll show you now. Let me just put my chart in the chat. Yeah, it's in the chat. So it's basically off the 1 hour / the other. So it's basically I was watching it's based off the 30-minute, but entry is 15.
Oh, you got it at 7:45. Yeah. No, 8 o'clock. Yeah, that was nice. That was one that Milan was looking at as well. Yeah, that was good. First kind of like gave you a little bit of a top wick as well.
Yeah, also that, like I always mention, that strong bearish candle, that for me, there's so much indication that it's not going to reverse like immediately. It will at least give me 10.
Yeah. Very nice, man.
Kind of impulsive, but
yeah, it worked nicely, man. Very nice, very nice. Oh shit. Yeah, that was good. That was good. No, but the only thing with that wasn't impulsive about it. But the reason why I didn't like it is I just wanted to wait for this hourly close. But the top wick was nice, man. Top wick was nice. So very, very good. Would you consider what do you consider is a good clean wick? A candle that has that candle's big. That candle has a free space to move in. So taking a look to the left here again, right? So these candles here, can you see here? They're moving pretty small. Look at this. Look how small the candles are. So the actual distance they're moving is pretty small, right? Look at these wicks, bad price action, not a nice area. So that's a dirty range. It's not clean. What I mean by a clean range is these candles. Can you see that? Can you see these? Look how big they are. Look how big that one is. Look how big these are. Can you see how big those candles are? So it means clean candles means they move, a large amount in a certain area, and this is the area. So you can see all these bar charts. If you still can't really see where the zone is, then just look. These are where all the big clean moves are. Now draw a line with all of them. Oh my god, this mouse just gave me a fucking brain hemorrhage. Sorry. There we go. So in that zone, so much cleaner, right? So yeah, the bottom zone has the biggest candles where? Here? Yeah, that's also a nice zone as well below there. But for me, this does it in one candle here. So I actually probably would prefer this area than this. Because why? Well, we've got, if you're taking sells below here, you got resistance there, could be support there, you got support there. You can see it's like broken up, whereas this is literally just clean straight away. So yeah. Stops are always an issue with me with big candles. Well, that's why you got to get in at the break of the lows, not on the big candle, on the previous. So like here, you got to get in like there, stop loss above. You've got to get in. I mean, this one was quite hard, but this one you couldn't really get. I mean, maybe support forming, but this one here. Look at that closure below, making a top wick, breaking the lows, stop loss above the current or the previous 16 pips. That would be the move. Yeah, so that's how you'd probably take them. So yeah, 238 people in here. Make sure to like up the stream if you guys have learned something today already. So looking like AJ's pulling up, GJ's still continuing over here. Milan, did you take any GJ? Did you get in eventually?
CJ.
Oh, CJ. CJ. What is flip? It is when the candle changes direction, so from bullish to bearish. So if it's 50-minute flip, it means that the 50-minute has flipped from bullish to bearish. So that would be there, right there. 4-hour flip means the 4-hour. So it flipped there. It's actually a little bit lower, I think there. So yeah. Who's new here in the stream today? I swear some people are new today for sure. If you guys are new, make sure to come and like and subscribe as well. Follow the Instagram as well. I'll post all of the recaps on the trades we take on Instagram. Gold 954.51. If rejects, there will be a buy from the bottom. Yeah, I may stay away from that. I may stay away from doing that again today. I may just wait until above 954, I think. There's always a possibility that current candle stops can retract more than drive in your direction. Well, that's why you've got to get in at the right time, you know. You've got to get in at 8:02 where you've already made the top wick and you get the drive. As long as there's a nice top wick, you're normally pretty good. CJ. Oh my god, GG. Can you check charts to stream? Okay, Kyle. Okay, this is a gold sell on the previous break of the previous low on the 15-minute at 1946. Stop loss above. Beautiful. Looked like it worked nicely. Resistance forming. This candle didn't close above the previous support, which is here. So very, very nice. Would you have been a good sell yesterday on gold? Would this have been a good sell yesterday in gold? Yes. I think so. Yeah. I think that's pretty reasonable. Oh yeah.
AJ about to flip too.
Take a look. Yeah. 5-minute close as well. Looking like it's struggling to flip and break the low though. How much should stops be? 10 pips.
That's a 6.
Oh, look at the 15 going all the way back up. Holy shit. 15 closed doji. Hey, I'm new here. Just started. Oh, nice. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we stream every single morning. I was thinking soon I may do like a charity 12-hour stream. That'd be kind of fun. I'd be knackered by the end of it though. Holy shit. But it would be kind of interesting. So you'd start at like 3 a.m. Finish 3 p.m. That would be pretty fun. GJ buys at 165.5 retest and rejection just cause. No. Taking a buy now on GJ would be like getting your money and throwing it in the bin. Because look, the higher time frames, man, always stick with the higher time frames. They're going to give you much easier trades. Look how bearish we are. Yes, it could retrace up, and it can retrace up 20, 30 pips. But do you want to be in that retracement, or do you want to just wait until you get the retracement and then you get the fucking push down again solidly and it'll run down 40 pips? I'd rather get the retrace. I'd rather wait for the retracement and then push down. You get me? AJ coming back up over here. I love the way our channel viewership increases daily. Yeah. I think we're still the biggest one in London, which is pretty mad. If you're wanting GJ buys, PayPal me your money, please. I'll give you 0.2% return. Right, okay, I'm just gonna go to the toilet. Be one sec, guys. Adios, amigos. I'll be back. GJ. Right, let's take a look over here. Oh, gold is getting close. Hourly did close bearish though, which kind of sucks, and it closed below resistance, which kind of sucks. But we'll see. I'm still really wanting this 4 hour to drive up to 958. So we'll see about that. Yeah, if you're buying GJ right now, oh my god, good luck. How is the weather like for you? At home? It's not too bad actually, it's not too bad. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. The reason why I kind of like it is the hourly The hourly zone isn't too bad. The zone itself is 40 pips, right? It's not too bad. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be cautious with it. I want exactly what I want. Iron Man looking for buys on GJ. Wow. Wow. Okay, 165, 300. I think will be approaching. But as I say, I'm just gonna wait later on for some retracement to then continue bearish. So yeah, I think 165, 300. Oh, I was asking if you are. Oh no, I ain't looking for buys on GJ. No. People before were asking. If you go back on the chat, someone was asking to take buys. If you're taking buys on GJ right now, just PayPal me the money, because it's gonna be in a bin. It's gonna be fucking burnt if you take a buy.
Please go full margin as well.
Yeah, if you're taking buys on GJ right now, goddamn bless your soul. There are no entries. Yeah, I mean the only entries would have been a little bit higher up, which was a bit earlier on, which kind of sucks. I think for me the only entry would have been here, but as I said, I kind of wanted this hourly to close, so then I can get a nice top wick. But the top wick happened before here, so that's probably what I would have taken. But for me, I was waiting for the hourly to close, so no can do. Oh, AJ's pulled all the way back up. 6 minutes left for this closure. Interesting. Not going to be anything.
Stops are too big now. Stops are
Yeah.
too big. You know what? No, with that GG trade, I literally told myself, I asked myself if you would take that trade. I literally asked myself that. Jeez.
I think that's why Milan was asking, because the top wick was nice, but I don't know. I just wanted to wait for the hourly to close, because I thought the hourly was going to give me a wick like this. Because normally it does, doesn't it, right? But it
Yeah,
did
so
not.
that was before the hourly.
Yeah,
That
it was 50 minutes
the
before.
hourly, so
That hourly
can
top wick for me is
understand
too
why.
small.
Exactly. And the one above is what you like.
Yeah.
Your kind of turtle soup.
Tail soup. I'm just gutted I didn't hold on them gold cells yesterday, man. So I got in there. My could I have trailed? I could have even trailed to 15 and got stopped out. I know, I wouldn't have got stopped out at all, really. Maybe there.
I also don't hold trades for long, man, to be honest. And the reason for that is, like, I get tapped eventually, man. So
Yeah.
I just take everything at that given moment, like that session that I'm trading. Like, let's say I'm in a 15-minute candle and it gives me like my 10 or my 20 in that 15 minutes, then I don't need runners and stuff.
Yeah. I think it depends on where you get it, man. If sometimes I get them gold entries, like remember we got them last week when we got such a nice price, I'd rather hold on a little longer. Depends where you get it in. So that's what I'd probably want to continue this zone. But it looks, if this 30-minute doesn't close above, then it looks like it's going to struggle. It's still in this crappy zone. Do not be taking any trades in here. Shit is nasty. Why is it nasty? Well, the price action overall is pretty garbage. And also, take a look to the right. You can see where the 4-hour and the daily flip are. So, price in the higher time frames hasn't decided where it wants to go yet. So don't get caught up in that. Don't get caught up in that. Gia's made a nice top wick now. 3 minutes left for this 30 to close. Interesting. Let's take a look at the 4 hours now. Yeah, it's still got room to 165,276. How much just stops there? Ah, 23 pips. Yeah, stops are way too fucking big. GJ 23 pips. It feels like gold again when gold was like 70 pips stops. Oh my god. That was ridiculous, man. It didn't even last that long though. It was only the first week of the war, and like 50-minute candles were like 120 pips. 5-minute candles were like 80 pips. It's like, oh my god. GU swing, let's take a look. Oof, very nice. In the daily?
Yeah, daily time frame. Entered on the 15. Break of structure. Twice.
It's like 100,
Price came
100
down.
120 pips stop. Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah, 118.
Wow.
But I'm already at break even.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
281 target.
Very, very nice. That's quite nice though. It's quite clean. I always thought that GU is clean on the higher time frames. It's just crap like on 1530.
Yeah.
But that's pretty. It's pretty easy. Tap the previous. That's nice. Yeah.
And it's easy once you understand your fib levels and you take out the rubbish. As you can see, I don't have the 50 and the 0.23 and all that. I use 2 fib levels.
0.618.
Is that
yeah.
fib not upside down?
No, it isn't. Because in a downtrend, you start at the bottom, you draw from the swing low to the swing high, and then you get your extensions to the bottom.
Ah. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Max, can you just open the chart again? I'm trying to figure out what is going on.
This is Vincent's swing account.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, so you got in on the 61.8, Vincent.
What?
On the retracement. So obviously,
Yeah.
So where
Below.
is
My
No,
entry
so
was on the 15. I waited for price to make a double top on the 15 and then a
okay?
break.
So that is your high, and that is your low. If I'm correct.
And it broke the
so-
lows today.
So basically, we had our first retracement up. So that's basically your stop loss region, right? And then with the reversal, so we could basically test that neckline over there still. What do you think?
Yes. We come down, we come up again to.
So it's another entry.
Wait,
be,
so
yeah.
Vincent, so for me, so the only thing I see with swinging, right, is where you're gonna actually take some money off.
Right
DP.
now, because I took some off because I moved my stops to break even because it broke the main structure today.
Yeah.
It broke
Okay.
at
So that is the main
1.3
structure.
level. Yeah, and now I'm gonna leave it.
Okay.
And I usually take some profit after 50 pips, but this is a bigger one, so but it's
Nice.
going like crazy.
Very nice.
I
Very
mean,
nice.
this
And
was
so,
280.
man, my balls would be so sweaty.
Nah,
Nah, if you're
I've been
just
doing
like
it for
1%
9
on it,
months,
then
so.
you're good.
yeah, that's the thing. I take it slow. I have like a whole year. I don't care. I mean,
Yeah.
whatever. I'd rather have a good setup that takes a couple of days to work out with low risk, because it allows me to move my stops to break even a bit faster,
Yeah, and then like trailing.
and then you're just in. Yeah.
Just keep moving stops into more profit and swinging. Yeah, that's true. I think the only thing that the reason why I don't like it is if I'm holding a trade for 2 days and then one news event comes here and then you rinse all the way back up to break even, you just wasted 2 days. I just that would fuck me off. But as long as you trail it, then I suppose it's decent.
Yeah.
Decent. Okay, so GJ coming back down. Oh, did that flip actually work? Oh, it did as well. But the stop was fucking huge. That was nice.
Did anyone trade Nas yesterday?
Huh?
Did anyone trade Nas yesterday?
Nah, because Brian's on holiday. But Brian comes back on Monday. Then he'll be doing all.
Oh, no.
Yeah. He'll be starting his NAS up. Yeah, the last day he was here, he did a fucking banging trade. The only issue was he had a power cut. and you had to go off. You couldn't like do it live, which kind of sucked. But you just put in the chats for us, which is pretty good. But yeah, we'll be learning that together next week, which should be nice.
Yeah, I did. I got a naughty trade.
Yeah, and that'll be good.
Yeah, I actually took that trade in the week, okay?
Did you?
And yeah, listen, I was like close to 6K USD, and I was so greedy. It stopped me at like 2.5. I was so pissed. That is one of the reasons why. And listen, there was like the take profit was all the way down. That was going to be a main trade, and that is one of the reasons why I have this issue, like this battle with holding trades for so long.
Yeah. So it's all about your comfort level, you know. If you've already got a 1-to-1 or you've got a 2-to-1 and you're up 1%, 2%, and you just say to yourself, am I going to be pissed off if this hits break even and I haven't taken anything? If I say yes, then just take some off, for sure. So yeah, I mean, GJ's ran like a bitch right now. So genuinely, all I'm waiting for is later on is something like this, okay? So I'm waiting for price to retrace anywhere in this area. I don't really care where. And then when we get the volume back again, we'll cause some resistance to then drive it back down, and I'll take profit there, and then I'll leave the runner to continue. But for me, if you take a look on the 4-hour time frame on GJ, right? You got to say to yourself, okay, did you take any of this move? If you didn't because you're asleep like me, then you're good, or like maybe you just couldn't get the entries here, you're fine. But what you gotta not do is look and go, oh, I'm still gonna take these sells and we're gonna fucking dump. We're gonna dump all the way down to here. You need to remember, look now, right? Look where the clean candles were. The clean candles were here. When does price start getting a bit messy and a bit harder to take trades? Here. How far is that? Well, it's only like 10 pips away. So it's already really done the move, right? So now your whole basis now is waiting for a retracement and then riding that bitch back down in like 3 hours time. Same with AJ. If AJ comes back up over here to maybe like there and causes some resistance at this next zone and to continue back down, I'm gonna be taking sells there to continue back down. Good morning, first time on stream, short of GJ 166755. Beautiful. 66755. Oh, nice. Yeah, man, that was nice. Way too early for me though. I ain't getting up at 6:30. God dang. Hell no. But yeah, like this, Max. If a candle breaks previous wick before creating a top wick or bottom wick, is the break of previous wick strategy not valid anymore? It is, but it depends on the scenario, So it depends on the previous top wicks. If it's already retested an area, why would you then need this next candle to retest the area? Also, if your stop loss is above the previous candle and can be about 10 to 12 pips, then yeah, take it for sure. It's just normally it isn't, and that's the issue. Especially like now, stops are going to be huge. So there we go. Take a look on the daily time frame. Can you see now pretty easily where the clean candles are? They were here. So that was the zone. Unfortunately, it happened mostly in Asian, and then the London session over here couldn't really get an entry. Even though here on the 15, they've just travelled nicely down. They haven't stopped, but that would have been my entry there, but I couldn't get it. Set a sell. Yeah, just close your eyes and quick sell. Quick sell, boy. 65 people in here. Amazing stuff. Amazing. Gold should be down based on the USD, but it's nothing. It's holding strong because people know inflation is actually, yeah. Inflation in the US right now is not that good. It's not good here either, to be honest. Let's take a look at what inflation's been the past 5 years. 2020 was 0.99. But it hasn't updated 2021, right? 2021 was 6%. 6%. So from 2018 to 2021, yeah, there's been some big inflation, man. You're losing money in the bank. You're losing money if it just sits in the bank, man. What's your analysis on Euro GBP? Send me a chart and I'll take a look, my man. Don't really normally trade it because it's normally a pair that doesn't move much, but I'll take a look for sure. But yeah, that was nice, that little gold buy above. It's pretty good. But I think overall this week people have had quite a hard week overall, and so I'm pretty happy with my positive week over here. I'm pretty happy with it. Real estate is the safest investment. Yeah, at the moment, man, prices in the UK right now are so fucking high. It's ridiculous. I'm waiting for the next bubble drop. I'm not gonna lie. Then I'm gonna pick up some houses. But right now, houses are expensive. Waiting for a little retracement, let's just say, on gold fucking prices. Looking like gold's still playing in this area. Yeah, interesting to see. If this daily breaks 1958, then damn, it's gonna be kind of a nice day, I think. Maybe to continue, but you can see the resistance is at 958, pretty hard. Is anyone else taking new... Wait, Tom, how many trades have you taken this morning? Took 2 AJ and then that 1 GJ, right? You must be up bank right now. You must be up solid 4. Tommy boy. Oh shit.
4 trades in a session.
65 pips up, nice. How much percentage is that? Nas dropped crazy yesterday, yeah. Crazy. Yeah, so above 958, can you see how nice it will be? Yeah, so 958, where could we potentially continue then if we reach 958? Someone draw. Pretty simple. Beautiful Finny boy, yes. So that zone is pretty nice, eh? 78 pips. Very, very nice. 67% today. Oh, that is beefy. Would you say AJ is ready? Nah, 30 minute just goes bullish, man. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm just gonna keep an eye on this GJ, not this GJ gold. Maybe hourly closure. We'll see. My AE, is it AE bot? I thought it was called. I thought it was EA bot. Made 1.5% in 3 Asian sessions, completely AFK. Nice. Very good.
I extend my challenges today to 6 May.
Nice.
Yeah, I only need 1%.
That's not bad at all. 6th of May.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's so good though. I like how that company just lets you redo it or like extend it if you're like at break even.
Yeah, that's a very good thing.
Yeah, because
You
like
can
the months
up
the
more
months
than 5%.
yeah, the months in January and February which were hard, like you may be at break even. So that's pretty nice. I like that. I like it.
Yeah, the pressure is a little lower.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You scout the 5 minute time frame sometimes. I mean, once or twice on gold, but pretty much not really. I'll manage risk sometimes on the 5 minute. If I know a trade isn't going right, I'll drop down 5 minute and just try and manage. Well, but what I mean by that is actually, so if you get on to what's it called? What's the tracking thing for your account? What's it called? My FX book. I think there's another one as well which might be a bit better. I need to try the other one. But basically, it'll put in a statistic of how long your trades last. So it'll give you if your trade is longer than 20 minutes or 25 minutes, you have a 40% win rate, or you lose more trades than you win. So knowing that, if you're in a trade and it's messing about at your entry and it's coming towards 25 minutes, then start to, really look at the lower time and start to manage trades, maybe taking it off, because overall it isn't profitable. Which really helps, I always try and speak of trading as just like a restaurant. The difference is a restaurant you normally see your gains or your profit and loss after a month, whereas this you can see like right now, you can see real time how you can increase your profits and decrease your expenses. So always use that. Caught GJ for 70 pips, they're going to call it a week. I think that's a great idea. So pretty much the people who got it up early over here caught the whole move. Was that on the 30-minute flip? Oh, it was as well. I think the best entry is probably there. How much are stops? Oh, stops are kind of beefy. 12 pips, not right. Serie play on the 50-minute, which is also flipping the 30. That was pretty nice. I stayed out this week just to clear my head. That's good. If you can do that, I mean, you got some discipline. I like to see that. Let's just buy GJ. It's finished that zone, but I mean, if you're risky, go for a little buy. But I'm just gonna wait for a retracement. Caught GJ on the 4-hour flip. Yeah, nice. That was very, very nice. Which site are you using for news? FOREX Factory. Yeah, FOREX Factory. That's the one I use. It isn't too bad. Sometimes it's a bit slow when the news comes out, but I don't really trade news, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter at all, to be honest. Wow, gold is struggling to break these highs level. It's really hard. So you can see here, man, I'm going to wait for this hourly probably. Yeah, I definitely am now. If the hourly closes above here, then nice. I'll probably still look. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to leave that.
Yeah, this zone is very ugly.
Yeah, it's crappy, eh? Very, very crappy. 227 people in here. Jeez. Very, very nice. At least GJ broke out of that nasty 4-hour range. That is true. Shame it did it all in like a couple hours. But yeah, that is true. At least it's gone. I mean, on the daily, there's still actually a lot of places we can continue down, so that's good. And you know me, I prefer sells over buys on GJ. They just work so much easier. So yeah, I'm pretty happy as well. If we break below 165, 256, this kind of area, I mean, throughout the next maybe day or two, 164, 737 would be the next kind of support. This kind of area would be nice to continue into. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on this over here. We'll see. But yeah, I think a lot of streamers on NY session yesterday got hit on gold pretty bad. I think it came for some people's lives. But yeah, I can't believe this. I can't wait for next week so we can have a proper full week. You know, we've had 2 half weeks pretty much. It feels like anyway, missing 1 day. Only lost 1% yesterday, 1 trade and closed the day. Nice. That's good though. When you're taking a losing trade or whatever, make sure to analyze it. What could you have done wrong there? Well, with my losing trade yesterday, I knew straight away the outcomes of it. It wasn't a crappy zone, but I just thought buying the support would have been nice. And then when we got that closure, I'm like, bro, I'm getting in that bitch. And taking profit is pretty easy on gold here, man. Like the first take profit was where I closed, which is here at 25 pips. The next one would be down here. Simple. Simples. Wow, GG, man. Next level. The more it pushes down though for me, the more retracement. So, and if we get like a retracement up here, then we've got another 30 pip drop to the low. So, the more it pushes up for me, it's gonna be the better trade later on, I think. Yeah. Still continuing down though. Damn. Bless you. Thank you very much. I feel like London is way smoother than NY in the past weeks. London is a lot easier to trade, I'd say. Yeah. I don't know actually. Depends on the day. Hope we'll go for GJ sells after closure below. What, where? Now? I ain't going for sells. I'm wanting a retracement. I'm still waiting for it, and I still will. You stream New York Open? Yes. But I stream it with a private group. So I stream with over 90 people on the mentorship. And that's where you can join the Zoom and all that kind of good stuff. So I'll put that link there. I feel like if gold moves up above last 50-minute candle, we could see a big move. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. But if it doesn't close above here on the hourly in 10 minutes, then it's really, really struggling to break above. Oh, wow, was that the NAS? When was that?
I'm waiting.
Oh, you're waiting
to come to that 5-minute DM neckline. Yeah.
Ah,
yes,
there.
that area.
Yeah.
So 30 pips for 125 pips. Lekker.
Play resistance forming, eh? Nice. Very, very nice. So yeah, so if you join the mentorship, probably you could join next week's probably the best. But I mean, you could also join as well. Obviously, you get every single signal that I take in. You get the we do homework pretty much once every 2 or 3 weeks, where we do chart analysis. You do the homework, send me it, and I review it 1-to-1. We're going to review the week's trades every single week, so we review everyone's each trade that we took in the week, how we could have improved on them, how we did well, what could we have managed risk, did we manage risk properly, and then every week we do at least one simulation, and then the webinar is coming as well every single week. So there's a lot of stuff, and also you get access to the chat, so other people taking trades, and then obviously you get access to the Zoom, the London session, and the NY, so you get a shitload of stuff, and I'm not fucking ripping you off, so. It's worth it if you need that extra help. And also, even if you just want a group, man, we have some good banter in NY session. Oh, don't do this all at once. No. This looks like news to me. It's fucking launching. Let's take a look at the chat. Yeah. yeah, this is definitely a bit of news on Goldie over here. Oh my god. Just looked at my MetaTrader and it's going everywhere. Oh my god. So yeah, when I start seeing that, man, bro, I am relaxed. I am not taking them gold if it's moving like that. It has to slow down a little bit. Let's take a look at what that may be, if there's any news here.
It's news or just a struggle as to what direction it's going, whether it wants to go up or down?
That's true.
I feel like it's just in a solid bit of consolidation and it kind of keeps getting to the highs and then and same with the lows, and it's just kind of sitting in, especially on sort of 15-minute chart. You can kind of see it's like within this area that it's been.
It's so close to flat on the daily, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
He just doesn't know. Are the higher time frames contradicting right now? Yeah, they kind of are, aren't they? Past couple days have been bearish. This one could be just making the top wick to continue down, but also if it breaks 1958, oof. Just struggling to find a direction. Drop in German manufacturing production. Ooh. That ain't good. They're pretty much known for that. Damn. I swear I've been looking at AJ this whole time. It hasn't moved one bit. Yeah, it hasn't. Is gold a buy a good idea if the 1 hour candle closes? Potentially, if it gives me a nice bottom wick, maybe. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, GJ today was another prime example of clean candles. When there's clean candles to the left, it means price is going to move nicely in that area. And you can see it did that. Nicely. Pretty easily as well. Just started running. Wow, yeah, tapping that level again. Oof. Struggling. It's struggling. Has anyone taken any losing trades this morning? Maybe you should just send me some losing trades. I only get trades that have won. You know, I want to see trades that didn't go well and how I could have maybe helped you. What's your go-to advice when it comes to taking funding challenges? Good luck. As long as you're
make sure you're consistent before you start.
Yeah. and make sure that you're at least break even at all times, because you know there's going to be 1 week or maybe a month that you might try your funding account and it's a bad month. You know, it really sucks. The candles suck. So if the thing is, right, if you're in a bad month and you're losing like 12%, 15%, 20%, but then on a good month you're making 12%, 50%, 20%, it ain't good, right? Because if you have a bad month, your challenge is going to be over. If you have a good month, it's going to be fine. But then when a bad month comes again, you're going to lose it all. What you've got to do is when it comes towards a bad month, you've got to be able to know that you're going to be pretty much break even or at least profitable a little bit in that. And this is why, like for example, January was a hard month for us. But everyone who took challenges in January were at least break even. And therefore they could redo their challenges because they let you do that. So, and then it's, you know, it's cushy. It's when you're trading and when you have a bad month, you're down a shitload of money. That's when it fucks you up because you can't get out of it. But if you're like break even on a month where a month was really, really hard, then that's good because that means you can never really fail one. Yes, that is what happened to me this month. I'm at break even with my fund waiting for a reset. Exactly. So you get loads of goes for it. So all you got to do is wait until there's a good one, and then you're grand. I always talk about that, you know, the equity curve. You go up, and a nice month. When it's a bad month, you may, you know, do this. Then a good month again, and a bad month, and a good month. What you need to avoid is a good month, a bad month, a good month, a bad month, a good month, a bad month, a good month, a bad month. Like, you know, it has to be consistent. And you do that by managing risk, by when you know price is struggling in this month, or you know price is moving horrendously, you back off. So towards the end of, I think it was like February, where price was moving absolute garbage on GJ, I fucking backed off. I'm like, I'm gonna wait a couple weeks or days until GJ I see an actual move which makes sense, because at the moment it's garbage. Don't waste your fuel, even though, oh yeah, I'm maxed up, but I woke up, I want to take a trade, you know, I feel tired, I want to take this trade. If there's no trades there, don't take any, because you're just going to get absolutely pumped. So towards the end of February, when GJ was ranging like a bitch, I left it, just completely left it. At some point I actually just took it off my, even like looking at it. I'm just going to wait until it breaks out of the zone, or wait until I see some good price action. Thanks for those gems, Max. Yeah. Gotta just keep it going, keep it going.
Look at the 1 minute chart on gold. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah, that's not nice, is it?
And they're like 25, 30 pip candles, so they've
yeah.
got volume in them.
Yeah. Just volatility, eh? I was looking at 1 minute on gold too, yeah. Doesn't look too pleasant, does it? Wow, GJ's literally been red the whole time. Hasn't had one little breather. Holy shit. AJ has a little bit, but yeah. So we'll see, we'll see. We might have a discount on groceries with that gold code. Yeah, maybe. Look at that though, like an impulse there, you'd have been slapped. What would you say your style of trading is? Zone trader? No, just a support and resistance price action trader. That's what I think I'd say. I don't trade zone. Well, every single chart is in a zone. The zones everywhere. So every trader trades zones. It's just, what zone do you want? Do you want a breaking of a zone into a new zone? Do you want to trade in the range of a zone? Or do you want to, yeah, so for me, I do a bit of both, you know. So it's just price action, support and resistance. I think that's what it'd be. I use every single time frame, from the daily to the FOREX to the hourly. That's all we do. Hey mate, did you give away a magic key? Yeah, I did. Well, I need to actually pay for it for the guy, but I'm gonna do that after this. And there we go. So it didn't close above, so nothing for me. Looking interesting, actually. Really rejecting them. What's your plans for the weekend? I'm gonna go watch the Tyson Fury match on Saturday with my friends. My girlfriend's also up, so we're gonna go to the movies, I think, tonight. So yeah. How do you manage trades when in drawdown? By breaking of highs of previously. That's a good way to manage risk. By putting stops to break even when you've gone up 8 pips. Yeah, there's lots of different ways. Looking at the 5 minute, if it's looking messy, or if you've been in the trade a long time, how are you going to squeeze your stop? Yes, the fight is going to be sick. Apparently it's Tyson Fury's last fight. Damn. How can you use magic keys to sell stops and buy stops? You press the market pending button. So you do open calc, market pending, and then a yellow line comes, and then you put it where you want, and then you set it, and then there you go. Anton, Tup Palace. Tup Palace, back in the day. He needs to fight AJ May. AJ will get his absolute... He'll get absolutely bummed. I'm sorry. There's no way he's winning that fight. I think I've said that before, but... Oh my god, finally! The first 50-minute candle to break the highs. And look, shock, it's right at my support. Because my charts are beautiful. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. On the hourly. Oh! So hopefully in the next hour or 2 hours, we get a nice retracement up. And then I'm going to ride that bitch back down. And I'll post it on Instagram. So make sure to go and follow the Instagram. I'll put the Instagram link is right there. I post, you know, educational content showing you... I need to do more educational content, to be honest. But I show you the trades we take. And I really want to get to 10k followers now. 7k is kind of pissing me off. So if you guys haven't followed me yet, make sure to follow me. I want 10,000 now. 7,000 ain't cutting it. Then you can see how many people. Let's take a look. Can I see analytics here? Oh no. On my phone, you can see though how many people watch your things and don't follow. I'm like, oh, just press the follow button, bro. You watch every single story. What do you think of GA sells with the 1 hour closure below strong support and clean candles to the left? Send me a chart, man. I'll take a look. Oh shit. Goldie. Daily's fit bearish. Interesting. Rejected the highs. Interesting. 12 minutes left. Gold sells after closure below. Maybe. Looking like a lot of volume in gold, which is interesting. We'll have to see if it can continue. Let's take a look over here. Bro, I took a sell on AUD USD at 0.73296 RR1 to 2. Should I hold? Send me a chart. If you want me to, if you're asking me about a chart that I don't look at, just send me a chart and I'll take a look. Would you do a sell limit on GJ Max? No, not now. I'm waiting for a retracement, my man. Like a bigger one, like put it up here to 600, then to continue later on. Send over chart, nice. Ooh, yeah, that looks pretty good, man. Stop loss is 24 pips. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, GA, I used to do it, but now I kind of hate it because the spreads are ass. But that looks pretty clean, yeah? Closure below this resistance as well. Nice top wick. If it flips, could be kind of nice. Could maybe get in on the low with stop loss above the current. That could be kind of nice. Because you get the drive if it breaks that low. Clean candles to the left. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. GA's looks good. Tell me how that works. Pretty good. Good spot. 10 minutes left. You will never use 4 hour or 1 hour stop like a trade based on 1 hour, 4 hour. I will, but most 1 hour candles have big stops. So I actually enter a lot of 1 hour time frames, but it's also 15 and 30. So like, if a start of an hourly is just open, it makes a top wick and then flips, I'm gonna get in, but it's also on the 15 and the 30. If you get me, it's on all of them. It's on all of them. So, daily's now bearish. It's right at that little bit of support. Okay, we've just rejected the highs pretty hard. Doesn't look too bad, eh? See how far this runs down, though. Oh my god, look at the retracement. Holy shit. Damn, son. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of volume in gold.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's not going massively far, but the candles have got a lot of volume in them.
Yeah. Oh, that was nice. Yo guys, analysis So we'll see. We'll see. I got loads of Instagram DMs about how my TV's, and someone just said that TV is fucking neat. having the backlight on the back is so needed, man. Spreads are tasty on gold, are they? Let's take a look. Ooh, 2 pips. 2 pepperoonies. Yes, that's good. It's good. AJ and GJ both coming up a little bit, which is nice. Means that later on, maybe at like 11:30, 12 o'clock, might get a push down. How do I send a chart? Either in the YouTube here or on Discord. Some good charts today, actually. Nice. That's really good. I think that's a really nice. That could work out pretty nicely. Do 86 likes, guys. Let's try and get that to 100 likes today. I know there hasn't been any trades, but for me the entries have been a bit hard. I wanted the hourly to close, but GJ probably there is pretty good. Goldie maybe in 6 minutes or so, but I want a nice closure, you know, probably like there in 6 minutes times, and then a nice top wick and a nice drive. If that doesn't happen, then I'm not going to take it. I want exactly. I'll draw it in a sec. 1 second. Oh, I didn't even fucking record this. No. Oh, I should have recorded that, idiot. I have to go get that off YouTube. Great. Okay, so. We'll see. In a couple of minutes, if it can close below. If not, and closes back above, then I'm probably gonna leave it. Gold dissolves to form an amalgam. Oh, what is that? Oh, gold. The actual element. Do you see it happen a lot of time, like price makes wick, then goes in your favor, then comes back again, makes a bigger wick, then drives due to TP, but you got stopped out? No, because normally I'm at break even by then, so it would normally just be a break even trade. Depends how big the top wick is, you know, and how big they are, and what the time you're taking the trade. There's so many variables, man. For the most part, if the top wick is like 7 pips, then most of the time it doesn't come back and make a bigger one. It normally just drives. It's if you get in with like a 3 pip top wick, then yeah, it's gonna make a bigger one probably. So that's when I leave it. So yeah, maybe later I'll do like a charity stream, like a 12-hour stream. So I'll do Asian, London, and NY. Oh my god, I'll be so tired. That'll be pretty cool. Yeah, I gotta download this YouTube then. Oh, fine, I just pressed record, man. I hate that. It sucks. 4 minutes left this closure. If it's nothing strong, then I'm probably gonna leave it. 5 minutes just goes bullish back above anyway, so we'll see. Can we see your reaction time? Go to the site where the light goes from red to green. Human benchmark, okay. Thing is though, my mouse is pretty fucked, so that's my excuse. Oh, I think I've done this, haven't I? Reaction time. Okay. The fuck? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh! Get fucked! 207. Oh! Okay, let me do this again. I'll try and beat this bitch. Oh my god! Look at that. Really, look at that shit. The average is 273. Mate, I'm a much quicker. 206 in my previous one. That's fucking banging. Some modern TVs add as much as 150. Oh shit. Try it again. Ah, fuck. 220 again. You did 188. What? What the fuck? Oh, 212. Get under 200. This shit's hard. I just got 190. What? Right, let me get this mouse close, man. Right. Ah, cunt. 190. Mate, I blame it on my mouse. My mouse is fucked. 190. Oh. Your reaction time is slow. Would definitely beat you in CS:GO. Nah, mate. I'm good at CS:GO. I'll fuck you up in CS:GO.
I'll tell you who won't fuck you up on CS:GO.
Yeah.
Scott.
Really?
Fuck off.
Really?
He's the one playing with a fucking bot.
Really?
He's laughing. He's like not even denying because he's like, "Fuck, he's right."
I'm not the freak that you are. He sits there and does these absolute freak
Really?
one pot AWP shots that just
Oh, I haven't played in a while, to be fair, so I would be a bit rusty. Oh, we should play, man. We should get a fucking squad going. That'd be so
Yeah, we
sick.
tried playing
we
with
can't play
Sachin,
with you,
it's
though.
hard.
Oh, really?
pings don't work.
Ah, that sucks.
Yeah, so it won't pick a mutual server. Someone ends up having like a 300 and something ping.
Oh, what is this? This is definitely Tom doing it and getting like fucking his fucking army's getting like 110 or some shit. Where the fuck?
Does gold bother you that it's
Oh,
fuck.
173.
Where?
Oh man, it looked like it was gonna close, man. I was getting ready,
Not
but
even close.
yeah.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, fuck that. That's a shame. Close in the zone, so.
Watch it just dump anyway.
Nah, look at the 5 minutes. Yeah. 5 minute area looks pretty gash anyway, to be honest. Yeah, it closed back above the support, so it didn't close below, so. Oh, it looked like it was going to do that in the last thing as well. And a nice red candle like there would have been juicy as well. Nice top wick and then a. Oh, that would have been tasty. 154 for me. Nah, you guys are fucking. You guys are bullshitting. Oh! Oh shit!
That's slow.
Fuck off, Finn. You go do that then.
What is it?
It's called human benchmark.
Part of it, though, depends on your system because you can often have a lot of input lag with your monitor.
Yeah.
So different monitors and graphics cards and the way your whole system's set up can give you a...
I've got a good monitor though. I've got a fucking gaming monitor.
Yeah, true. You do, true.
159. That's not bad though. Read what it says about the test. Yeah, it says 200.
Oh.
Yeah, look there. Your computer could add 10 to 50. Oh wow. What did you get, Finn?
Hang on.
I definitely just got 210.
Oh, I just got 172. There ya.
You don't think GJ is gaining a top wick to drive down? Bro, do you think it's already drive down enough? It's just finished. Look at the daily. The daily's just tapped where the big past daily just finished, right? So now it's going to retrace probably all the way up here, or maybe even higher up, and then it's going to come back down, okay? And I'm going to take the going back down. I ain't taking sells now. Just going to wait for the retracement. I made 30. Shut up. No, you didn't.
Fuck.
178.
I'm baiting you.
Nah, I got 156, right? 156, and it's live as well. Can't even fake it. All you fuckers on YouTube, you guys could fake that shit. Show me some proof. I sent you picture. The Discord is gonna be full of reaction times. So that means when we are making support now, that a buy could have a big potential. Well, no, I wouldn't really think of it as that, because one 50-minute candle doesn't mean shit. I just think overall it's gonna probably trend, but that doesn't mean it's gonna have, you know, big pullbacks and all that kind of stuff. I would not be taking buys here, because yeah, it could generally still continue, but for me, I just have a feeling it's gonna sit at this level for a while, come back up, make some resistance, and continue. I've just seen it happen so many times, but I won't take buys here. Hell no. Check your DM. Okay, let's take a look over here. Fuck off.
What did he get?
What? That's fucking bullshit.
Yeah, you know what he would have been doing? He just would have accidentally fluked it.
Nah, look at this, right? I fucking wait. Let me just put this in the chat. Wait, Jason, you got you got the
Anybody want me
NAS.
in no net cells?
Oh, Jason, you should have told us, you dimwit. I'd have got in that shit. Look at that. Fucking 30. Nah, that must have been a fluke. You just guessed it was green, just fucking clicked.
You just kept on clicking until it went green. Does it work like that?
Well, you gotta just hope it. Ah, Jason actually did tap it as well. You're an absolute cheeky motherfucker. Even though your camera is a mashed potato. You got 100 pips on that bitch? You actually got 100 pips from the 30. Ah, Jason, give me the moves, bro. How to reach gold melting point? Put it in a furnace or a I don't know. Nah, he inspected element. Oh. What's your aim trainer time? I did that before actually. I have no idea now, but I'm not doing it with this mouse. This mouse fucking sucks. Every one click is like, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I have to click everything twice pretty much.
Not the same as you when we play CSGO, Scott. I click everything twice.
Oh, what? You guys are fucking... Oh, someone's looking at GJ. When is that? Is that now? Interesting. Has it made a top wick? Is it in the hourly? Yeah. My only issue I'd say is the hourly didn't close below this resistance, so it could cause support. I made 30, but not a profitable trader. I keep getting below 200, yeah. Let's do it one more time. Oh, God.
That's not bad.
Oh, that one caught me out. Let's take a look at this, Jason, you cheeky bastard. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Resistance forming pretty much, eh? Nice retest. On the what time frame is this? Oh, hourly. Nice, yeah. His intensity from the shakes the camera hard. So there you go. Go back in the crappy zone. Please, for the love of Jesus, do not take any trades in the zone. You will lose. And yeah, just wait for GJ to relax a little bit, you know? It's had a big push down. Wait for a little retracement. People in the Telegram, if you see a retracement at like 11:30 or like 11 o'clock and it's like closing bearish, please message me. Just in case I'm not here, but I think I will be.
Once I've taken it and taken my profit.
Bro, please lower the volume mic when you upper the voice. It gets super harsh. Yeah, I might buy a new mic thing as well. Why not? Fuck it. GJ, more news? Oh my god. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Manufacturing PMI. That'll be interesting to see. I'll probably stay on to that. I want to see how well these numbers come out. You ever played old school RuneScape? Nah, I was never into that. But apparently loads of people were into it. But I don't know, for some reason I wasn't. What time? What year did that come out? Like my.
Really?
What? Oh,
sorry.
Finn was not Finn.
RuneScape's old. I played that when I was young.
Oh shit. Okay, yeah. Well, I'm not that old.
I'm
Fuck
older
me.
than you.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
RuneScape is like 20 years old.
Oh, do you know what I've seen recently on TikTok, which actually blows my fucking mind? Let's see if I can find it. Right, this guy. Do you know GeoGuessr? Holy shit. Oh, turn that off. GeoGuessr, right? This guy can guess where it is and literally like see, like search like, is this the same guy? That's probably a different one. But there's literally, like, there's one guy, and I shit you not, he'll look at the picture for maybe, oh, look at gold, for maybe, I'd say, a fucking second, and he knows exactly what country it is. It's ridiculous. Goldie, no!
That's probably because it just opens a geotag on the photo. Every fucking smartphone has it.
No, just on the computer. It's just on GeoGuessr. Do you not know the game?
No, I'm not that young.
Yeah, the GeoGuessr game. I think you have to. I swear you have to like pay for it now. It used to be a sick game. Yeah, so look, play free now, right? Oh, fuck off. Yeah, you have to make an account. It's just... I have to confirm. Oh my god, to play a game. Jesus Christ. Right. I'll give you an example. I'll be absolutely garbage at it, but these guys just know it so well. One sec. Okay. Well, that's fucking obvious. Holy shit. Oh, whereabouts in Paris, though?
That's London.
You probably see it here. Arc de Triomphe. Okay. Oh, this is giving me examples. Okay. So look, you get like points for how close you are. So this is. I've been there. I don't know where the fuck it is though. In New York, it's off somewhere. Oh mate, I'm gonna actually like. I think I'm gonna make myself look really dumb with these. Goddamn. Australia.
That is. It's in Sydney. It's near the harbour. It's near the bridges. Bridge in the Opera House. If you keep turning right.
Wait, where's Sydney? Oh, there.
To your. Keep zooming in.
Ah, shit. Little B.
Hey, Maxi.
No.
Hello, Milan.
Yeah, it's
What you looking at?
This game.
it's almost to the right of the Y. No, like literally where the Y is
What?
in
Why?
Sydney. Sorry. Near where your mouse was, where it says Sydney.
Oh,
The
there.
main bit in the middle of the screen says Sydney.
It's like there.
It was no. It was near where the Y was, but your screen's obviously slightly delayed for what.
Still there. Be close. Oh, there. Shit. Okay. Cool. Wicked. Yeah. So like these people can guess. Obviously, these are just tourist attractions, but some of them are just random places using Google Maps in the world. And like, Jesus Christ, it's like, how do you get that? Oh wow. So looks like gold over here has done the move, but didn't close below, so it was risky to enter there. But look, can you see again, guys? Yep, it is. Sure is.
Or you think DJ creating some support for buy?
I am not buying GJ, but you can go ahead. But I'm waiting for some resistance to form.
This is it.
This is not it. It's 9:30. 9:30. Charts go ass after 9:30.
I told you about GJ before that 100 pips move.
I know. You take it then. I'm not. I was waiting for the hourly to close. So yeah, as I said before here as well. Remember, in this area, gold moves quick. The only issue here was that it didn't close below here. If it did, I would have taken this, but it didn't. So, another example here of the clean candles. Also, yeah, Milan. Before you get in, there's news in 2 minutes for GJ. Nice. That was good. How could you have got in there? It was a 5-minute close, maybe. Yeah. Just stops there. Not too bad. Ah, oh, such a shame that this one pulled all the way back up first. If I just closed there, oh, it would be nice. Hey Max, how do you start that game? Is it the classic one? I think that was just like the trial thing, and then you can do loads of things. I think you have to buy quite a lot of it, which kind of sucks. So let's see this news over here. Let's see what happens. I doubt it's gonna be. It's not normally manufacturing PMI does fuck all, but I mean, if this was quite bad, if the retail sales was bad, then maybe this may be a little bit bad as well. We'll see. Magnus Carlsen. Is he on TikTok? Carlsen. I don't think he's on here.
Just push down and close below the next.
Oh my god.
Oh, so you've got yours slightly lower than mine. Yeah, okay.
Let's take a look on the 30, wait. Just on that little level there. 2 o'clock.
Makes sense.
Ah, it's a shame I did that all in one. Is whoever sent me that GA, did it work out for sells? Because that looked pretty decent. Closure below, nice clean candles to the left. Let's take a look at GJ. So, see where the news came out. Oh, it's so annoying we couldn't get gold, man. It's a shame about the closure, but the analysis was correct. Just no entry for me. Let's take a look here. Oh, better than expected. Interesting. Yeah, so, I mean, a perfect example today that I wanted to show you was this zone here is clean on gold. You can see it's backed my argument up with a clean candle. So always remember, look left. Don't be trading in these areas, trade in these areas if you can. For me, I couldn't really get the entry because that closed back above, and the wicks to the left here was scary, so I wanted a nice closure, but worked out nicely. Same as it did here, same as it did here. So it was nice. It was nice. 1 hour wick fill potentially on gold. Yeah, it's done it. Over here. Is forward testing better than back testing? Forward testing, what do you mean? Like predicting what things are gonna do and then wait until they happen and go, wow, great. I think both are good. I think forward testing you should be doing all the time because that's literally how you make your trades. Like, I'm not just jumping into a trade. I'm waiting for things to happen. For me, I was waiting for this, right? I was waiting for this to close down. This will make a top wick and then drive, okay? Didn't get the closure, so didn't enter. But, yeah, that's what I wanted. That's what happened. So, great. Feel good about that, you know? So, yeah, GJ and AJ, I'm going to wait later on for some resistance to form a little bit higher up, maybe. To then take the sells again. 30-minute close bullish, so maybe a nice retracement up. I'd advise not taking them buys, but if you have balls of steel and if you have balls of steel, then go for it. But yeah, why was gold so important to alchemists? Anton's given some trivia questions. Why was gold so good to alchemists? So good for... What do alchemists do again? Chemists. Fuck me, I'm so dumb.
No, alchemists, they try to make gold out of other materials.
Oh. Ah. I think GJ got a bit further down yet. Yeah, I think it's still got a lot more room if it breaks below here, but it's going to happen later on, I think. So, 30-minute flipping over here. Come on, push up, bitch. Get out over here so I can take some sells later on. They're trying to synthesize gold to form other chemical elements. Ah, okay. Very nice. Gold made a top wick now. Quite an aggressive top wick as well. Sell. I might paper trade this. It's too late. But I'm gonna paper trade this because it has closed bow. But as I said, what I said with Scott is that this here is right at support, which I don't really like. However, it looks like there's enough volume to maybe catch some 10 pips over here. So, and there you go. I fucking hate it when it does that. You ever just stared at TradingView on gold sometimes, and you're in a trade, and then it does that, and then, oh my god, and then you look at your MetaTrader and you go, oh my god, it's just a lag. I fucking shat myself numerous times on that. So, where should it next continue to? If it does break that little support, it should continue down to here. 1943. Stop is actually not that bad, like 20 pips. So if you got into a trade like this, yeah, you'd probably put break even pretty soon because of that support to the left here, right there. Yeah, GJ AJ is starting to relax now, but that makes sense. It's 9:30. That's when GJ and AJ always relax. If you backtest it, you'll see that numerous billions of times. So yeah. Did it hit 10 pips? Nearly did. Actually, no, I think it did. Nah, I didn't. Oh, nearly. Pretty much 9.9 pips. Yeah, I'm just papering that because it was right at the support, so I would never take the sell there. But it's just interesting to see how much the drive was. But as I said, this zone here is much nicer than that zone really here. This one's a bit wicky. But that zone is nice. That's what I was looking for. But unfortunately, the entry just wasn't there, boy. No news impacting GJ. No, and normally doesn't really, to be honest. The PMI, the flash manufacturing PMI normally doesn't really do anything. It doesn't really affect things. Yeah, I'm off too, guys. Thank you very much for coming on Zoom and YouTube. I'll make sure to see you guys later for NY session. Hope we can get some nice trades then to finish off the week. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like before you leave. I'll see you guys later, alligator. Been quite a hard week. Not many trades taken through London, but it's all good. It's all good. We'll be back fresh next week. So yeah, guys. See you later, Zoom. Thank you very much. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys. Peace out.
Hey, Max.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Really good analysis today about gold. That's what I really like, this clean area. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe if you are new here. Every single morning. At the moment, 6 wins, 3 losses. 2 of our losses were 6 pips and 3 pips, and the other one was 10. So, and all of our gains are more than 10, sometimes 20, sometimes 30. So, hope you guys enjoyed the trade so far this month, and I'll see you guys later. If you guys do want to join the mentorship for the NY session, I'll put the link here, guys. Thank you very, very much, guys. See you later, alligator. Peace out.